Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can upload theme on your blog post. So first of all, you just need to open your blog post and you need to choose your blog which you want to change your theme. So first of all, I've already selected my theme, my portfolio, and you can see this. And first of all, if you want to change your theme, you have to go to theme section, and now you can see there are many themes, but this theme does not provide you much functionality. So I'm going to upload a customized theme. Okay, so you have to choose this down arrow, and you need to choose restore. I've already downloaded a theme. I will give you its link in video description, and you can see this. I will choose Storm Blogger template. So choose this and open. It will take a few seconds to set up. Now you can see theme has been restored. If I open my theme, my portfolio, you can see view blog. Go to view blog to see your theme. Now you can see this is our theme. Now you can see this theme. This is a so cute and amazing theme. You can see this. So we will see how to edit this theme in future videos. So stay connected. Till then, goodbye.